day, doctor. My name is Leong Wai Yui. So this is my reflection videos to tell what have I learned throughout these semesters. So in these semesters, I have learned a lot of things, especially the Laravel framework. This is because in these whole semesters, I'm focusing on develop websites and application by using just Laravel. Also, I know that gamification concept is very important to be implementing inside our applications. This gamification concept can attract more users to use our applications more frequently, and can also attract more people to start to use our applications. Also, I've learned that Laravel can actually generate a bunch of dummy data by using factory, which is already exists in the Laravel framework when we start the project. So this dummy data is really important and useful for us when we need to test on our application, but we do not have any data yet. So when we use the factory, it will generate a series of dummy data depending on how many you want, for example 100, 200, and so on. Also, I learned how to implement gamification concept by using Internet. I think it is a very simple and useful tool for us to use. So we can just provide metrics and the rest will be done by the internet. Further, I know how to use Pushers, which is a hosted service that provides us the real-time experiences. So Pushers also provide different services such as the ticket notifications, location tracking, and so forth. So I think Pusher is a really great API service, and I think I will explore more on it. Also, I know how to convert the desktop view to mobile view. At first, I thought it might be a very complex process to convert the home to mobile view, and I even think of that I need to do a whole new coding just for the mobile view, for example like flutters and so on. But after I explore on it, I think it is just quite simple to make a mobile application by using just Android Studios. It will have already made code. We have to just put our link inside, and that's it. We can generate our mobile view. So last but not least, I learned how to deploy a server and host it by using cloud service. Whenever we need to do login or any operations, the data will be stored or retrieved from the cloud storage. So this is way better than we are using localhost, because we cannot access our application at any time by using any device. So by using localhost, the application and database can only be accessed and connected on the same device only. For example, if I use computer to access the localhost, I cannot find the websites or my applications by using mobile. So overall, this course provides me a lot of opportunities to explore more knowledge. I will continue on to explore more things. So thank you.
Good day to Prof. My name is Huey Miin. Throughout this semester, I have learned many new things for this course, and when doing the project, I think it is a very good opportunity for all of us to get in touch with many things that we haven't learned before. At the beginning of this course, Prof had invited our senior, Mr. Arif Tukiman, to give us a talk about the cloud computing and his business, Run Cloud. For his talk, I had a deeper understanding in cloud computing and the business in the computing field, and I realized that the world nowadays had developed many advanced technology, and this technology might be very common in our daily life in the future. In this final project, I had learned many things, especially the Laravel framework. Prof have given us a task to develop a simple text editor. It is a tough time for me since I haven't heard or used Laravel before. After doing some research on the internet, I found that Laravel actually is very simple to use, and at the same time, it also brought many convenience to us, as some of the functions in the Laravel have been declared by the developer, and all we need to do is just use it in our application. Besides, in our project, we have tried to use the Vue.js to build the video call interface in our project. Initially, we have faced a huge problem, which is we are unable to link the Vue.js to our project, and hence it cannot display the interface that we have coded. After struggling with this problem for about 3 days, we tried to get some help from our seniors and finally successfully overcome this problem. We would feel very thankful to those seniors as they were willing to lend a hand for us when we faced the difficulty. Another extra thing I learned is the pusher. The function of pusher is to empower developers with APIs to create collaboration and communication features in their web and mobile application. We have implemented the pusher in our video call and the real-time message chat features. To attract the user, Pooh have taught us about the gamification concept. It gamifies our application so that it is not seem very boring for the user when using our application, and encourage the users to complete their tasks in order to get the points and badges. We implement the gamification concept by using an application provided by our senior, which is TenorNet. Although it still has some bugs, but it helps us a lot to reduce many workloads in coding for gamification. I think that's all of my reflection. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day to Prof. Sharizal. My name is Habib based Zulkaffli. I'm a student from section 1, application development. So this video is about a reflection or learning outcome that I have learned through this semester in application development. First thing, I realized that my PHP skill was improved. Also, I learned how to use Laravel, which is a nowadays famous PHP framework. Hence, the tutorial also can easily to find at their forum, Stack Floor, even on YouTube. I love to learn Laravel on YouTube. There's so many tutorials in YouTube. Also, maybe I can prepare myself in Exasy since most companies use this free framework Laravel. The second thing I learned through this class is about deploying upload using Roundcloud technology. This is my first time to have my own server because Roundcloud give us some credit to subscribe the Roundcloud plan and deploy our own server. The workshop was taught by our own super senior and also the founder of Roundcloud, Mr. Huey Miin. Also, he inspired me to keep survive through this class and also this semester. The third is about time and work management. Honestly, it's hard to develop application with just 3 of us who doesn't have any knowledge about the server, Roundcloud, TenorNet, even a Laravel. Also, we have other subject which need us to develop application to using Flutter, which is a mobile application programming with Dr. Jumail. Even the same subject, even the same objective is to develop application, but with 2 different language, which is any project with PHP language and mobile programming using a Dutch language. So I cannot relate them together. So I need to work with a different time. I cannot combine them. So what I have to do is try to finish AD project first and then continue with mobile application programming. I'm sorry to Prof if we cannot fulfill your demand since we think it's hard to us to have these 2 killer subjects in same sem. To end my reflection, I would like to show my gratitude and also thanks to Prof. Sharizal to allow me to join this section, AD section 1. And also I would like to thanks to my teammate Leong Wai Yui, and also another my teammate is Huey Miin, helped me with reports, and also all the friends who involved and helped me to develop my apps, Polus business app, and also to our super senior who helps and give opportunity to use their technology, which is a Roundcloud technology, also a TenorNet API for gamification concepts. I think that's all. Thank you.